How to restrict app battery usage on Android phone? Here's how. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps. Next, tap Manage Apps. Find and select the app whose battery usage you want to manage. On the App Info page, tap Battery Saver. Here, you'll see 4 battery management options. No restrictions. The app can use battery freely and continue running in the background without limitations. Battery Saver helps reduce battery usage while still allowing the app to function normally. This is the recommended option for most apps. Close apps after 10 minutes of background activity. The app will automatically close after being in the background for 10 minutes, helping save more battery. Restrict background apps prevents the app from running in the background, which can save the most battery but may delay notifications or limit some app features. Choose the option that best suits your needs, and the new battery setting will be applied immediately. That's it. You've successfully changed the battery usage settings for an app on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.